Hey Ralph, do you want me to read you a story? Ralph and the Not-So-Rainy Day. Ralph, his mother called. Time for school, and don't forget your red raincoat. Looks like a very rainy day. Ralph put on his new red raincoat. He did a happy spin as he looked in the mirror, admiring how nice and bright his coat was. Ralph ran out the door and headed to school. His mother was right. It was a very rainy day. Along the way, Ralph splashed in the puddles and stopped to look at his reflection. Ralph decided to take a shortcut through the woods. He saw a little bluebird fly by and land on a tree. "Hi," barked Ralph, but the little bluebird flew off. Ralph chased the bluebird for a bit before he paused. He looked around and could not find the path to school. Everything looked different for a minute. Ralph felt afraid. Suddenly, Ralph saw the path up ahead. No longer feeling afraid, he hurried to the trail and headed back towards school.